Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Mailchimp for personal brand email sequences after LinkedIn step by step clearly.
Navigate to the Mailchimp website by typing mailchimp.com in the address bar.
Once on the home page, locate the sign up button in the top right corner and click it. You will be directed to a registration page. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a username that reflects your personal brand. Choose a strong password to secure your account. After filling in the necessary information, click on the Get Started button. Mailchimp will send you a confirmation email. Check your inbox for the confirmation email from Mailchimp. Click the link in the email to confirm your account. You will be redirected to a setup page on the Mailchimp site. Fill out your profile details, including your name and brand information. Select your primary goal for using Mailchimp, such as building an email list. After completing the setup, click Continue. Next, you will be guided through a series of prompts to set up your first audience. Follow the instructions to create an audience for your personal brand. Upload any existing contacts from LinkedIn if applicable. Once your audience is set, navigate to the Campaigns tab in the top menu. Click on the Create Campaign button to start your email sequence. Choose the type of campaign you wish to create, such as regular email or automated sequence. When prompted, enter a name for your campaign that reflects your message. Define your audience by selecting the audience you created earlier. Design your email sequence using the templates provided by Mailchimp. Add engaging content that resonates with your audience.
Schedule your emails or set triggers for the automated sequence. Preview your campaign to ensure everything looks right. Once satisfied with your design and content, click Send or Schedule. Your email sequence is now set up and ready to engage your audience. Return to the Mailchimp dashboard to monitor your campaign's performance.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.